it's Melissa here to plan in my Skinny Classic Happy Planner. So this week I am going to be using, I'm inspired by all of you who are using this Be Happy box sticker book. Now, I know that I can kind of lean in and do the navy, but I'm going to try to kind of do the peach and the pink. So let me just get started now. First of all, I should do kind of what makes it really functional for me, and that is adding a little sticker every single day for my YouTube videos, and then 2 bullet points per day for my Instagram posts. So let me just find a way to do that. So I think this week what I'm going to do is I'm going to incorporate these stickers to kind of put what my YouTube posts are going to be. Now there's no pink and peach and pink, so I'm just going to have to incorporate just some of this purple. So let me add here, and I'm going to put on here what my YouTube posts are going to be. Just going to alternate. Trying really hard not to add any of the blue off the bat. Let me turn these upside down. And like so. Now I'm going to add my 2 bullet points per day. Here we go, and I'm going to use my tweezers. So I'm keeping in mind that I can add in rose gold, but just peach and purple as much as I can. Actually, peach and pink if I can help it. And gonna work in this rose gold. I feel like I should have looked through to see if there's any other bullet points. I've just really gone all in with this one, even though there might be others. That is a decision I have made. And kind of subconsciously, I guess I decided to do alternating sides. Now we're going to be cooking soap next week. I think we have our dates planned out, but I think I'm going to start working this purple. So we have our dates planned out for the cook, so I think we're going to be cooking a lot next week, so I'm going to make sure to note that in this planner. I use quite a bit of rose gold on this side. I feel like I should switch up one of these and just even out that there's 2 rose gold on this side too. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it on here, and then I'm going to put one of the rose gold ones on this side. So yeah, I know that it looks, I guess, kind of boring to always have it like this, but I really do like it to keep it functional. So I'm just not going to think about like the decorative aspect of it and just thinking about how it can be functional for me. I will take one of these. The blue is going to kind of go with the purple. Now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this up fully, the notes, with this circle sticker. I'm going to put this guy back on, and I'm going to kind of slant it, and then I'm going to put one of those clear words right on top. Put this guy here, and either intentional Let's see what other options I have. This is really pink, which makes me happy because I kind of want to lean into more pink for this spread. So in order for me to fit it, I kind of have to have it a little bit lower. Oof, it's really gonna go off the page. So I think I'm going to put it here, and yeah, a little bit of it's gonna be cut off, but I think you'll be able to understand that it's an L. And I'll cut this guy off too. I kind of want to couple it with intentional vision, but let's just put intentional. Ooh, does that make sense? Intentional shine. Okay, so I was able to find a smaller one in this. So I think I can mix and match intentional goals. That's really small, but I feel like that can work. Now it's time for my favorite part, and that is adding florals, and I am going to go ham because why not? I really want to add some of these. I do want to do more pink, less of this purple, so I'm just going to go for it and stick this like this. And let me do kind of a counterpart on this side, which is kind of how I like to do things. Love it. And then I am going to add some of these. Just love this. Let's see what else is here. This is so pretty. I'm just gonna add it. I'm gonna layer this on top of this. Cute. I think I'm going to mix in some of these types of florals too. Add this one here. I'm going to add a bigger one kind of in here. Can I lift this up and tuck it behind? I don't think so. Okay, looks like I was able to lift up this side. So I'm just going to lift this up and then tuck in the bottom. No, maybe not. Yeah, I'm going to add this here. Oh dear. So let me just lay this flat properly, and then I can just put that back over, cut off any overhang, and I like this. This is cute. I do want to add one more floral here because why not? Let's see. I think I'm going to add one of these florals. I'm going to go with this one. And yes, okay. There's a floral on every day except this one. I'm definitely going to have to add one there. I think I'm going to add one of the purple florals from this book. Ooh, maybe I can use one of the big ones. Okay. I'm going to put this... Okay, let me do this first. I'm going to lift this up because it's really important for me to be able to write on here. These are quite sticky, actually. I'm going to lift this up. I'm going to put this on here and cut off the excess. Then I'll relayer this guy back on. Like that. Oh, I love it. So cute. Okay, this makes me really happy. So it's kind of peaches and pinks because I'm trying to make sure that I can use other colors with this planner. This is my spread this week for my Skinny Classic Happy Planner. So like I said before, these are going to be my social media posts, my YouTube vids. And yeah, if there's any other kind of soap related news, I'll find a way some way to kind of jot it down. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, I hope you'll click like. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them below. If you don't want to miss any of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.